Yeah, let's check out underneath. Oh, wow.
I got $100 front money inside with glaze coat on top.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Ain't the loudest thing out there, but
Yeah, it looks good. Did you build this?
no. Marcus did.
Okay.
And Danny helped me. Danny and Brian helped me with everything else.
So does that seal pretty good so you don't have any water issues get on the box?
It does do good. It leaks a little bit back here.
Yeah, but that's not, yeah.
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 I keep a cover on it all the way.
Yes, sir. Nice. All right.
So you want to look back there?
Yeah, I would love to. Very nice. So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
Miles White.
Okay.
And there's 412s to 272 depth bonds on a 15K.
Okay.
And 2000 on my mids and highs.
What is your amp wire to on the subs?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. And then the battery in the back is what?
It's a 45 amp hour.
45. Okay. Very nice. And what size alternator?
250.
250. Okay.
From Brand X.
I really appreciate the demo. That's actually pretty impressive. You got this system. This mid-50s and musically clean looking, and it's a blow through. And I like it, man. Yeah. Really nice job. And did you build this? Like in most of the install yourself?
I didn't do it myself, but I had it done. The only thing I did is my lights.
Okay. Very nice. All right.
I'll do 2 songs for you.
Sure.
We'll do one with the horse shut, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want me to roll the window down, just let me know. It looks like
you're good.
Okay. You made this little single cab pretty loud.
Try to.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Something different.
Yeah. How was your SPL score on it?
I did a 154.1.
Oh, wow. Mid-50s. That's pretty good. Was that what frequency?
36.
Was that on the glass sealed kick?
On the glass. Okay. Yeah.
Oh. So it likes mid-30s pretty well.
About 36, yeah, 38, 36.
Okay.
Take off for your passion, 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 she's not dancing, dancing. She wants to know, she got her hands down out in Colombia. Una loca, una botella, me la sopla. Tenía so. She got her hands on out in Colombia. Put the money up, put the loca. When the thing I'm in a sopla. Tenía some coca. Mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa. Coca, mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa.
Not bad.
Does it like it better window down, up, sealed? What did you notice best?
If you're on this side, with the door open, it's loud.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to try that way?
Sure, man. You just open that door and I'll stay right here in your demo. All right.
The baby came back with the tape. They had me going to sleep. They know he ain't going for shit. You already know I get it. Nigga way too lit. Want my name in the honest. Look at my watch. It's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it. I got to work on this. Put my shit on this. Murder. Come ahead on the player. I got the whole work. Let it get that it, ain't no rehearsal. This shit stepping. Fucked up my toenail. You fuck niggas don't wanna go down. You can put me in the room together. I promise it's only one. Don't play with me, I don't got time to play. 4 times out of 4 got that bar. I ain't talking no bullshit. It's a vibe. Hey, I hope don't nobody gon' die today. I'ma blow.
Cause I gotta live, take care of home, spoil all my kids. And if I'm alone, stand on the bed. Whenever
You own it, what it is. Yeah, you know a nigga ain't going to get it. Them niggas tell you, yeah. I tear the roof up off this bitch. My bitch.
that other shit out, it ain't easy. Baby came back with the tape, brought the hits with him. All this whack ass shit niggas putting out shit had me going to sleep while I'm driving. Shit had me going to sleep while I'm driving. They know he ain't going for shit, he get violent. You already know how I get it. Nigga way too lit, want my name in the honest shit. Tell me to go get some dollars. Pull up, I told her I didn't have time. I look at my wife, it's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it. Killing shit, I got to work off soon as you put on shit, I'm like some murder. I'm mad on the player, I got the whole work. Trying to come fuck with that low, let a nigga like me get that rich. Bitch, posted up with my little band. Know her name ain't up there, nasty shit. Started down on the shit, nasty. Oh, telling me that I'm a dad. Started down, good. Me still learn to be a commercial and shit. Off the top, bitch, that's really me when you got it. It ain't no rehearsal and shit. Step, fuck on my toenail. You fuck nigga don't wanna go there. You can put me in the snap and the room together. I promise it's only my own level. Don't play with me, I don't got time to play. 4 times out of 4 got that bar. I ain't talking no little shit. It's a vibe. Hey, I hope that nobody won't die today. I'ma blow, cause I gotta live. Take care of home, spoil all my kids. Even if I'm alone, stand on the bed. Whatever you want, it is what it is. You know a nigga ain't going to get this job. I sold out, cause I'm playing, say my shit. The niggas tell you, yeah. I tear the roof up off this bitch, nigga. My bitch super cute, but she get this, she make her lips big. That other shit out, it ain't easy. Baby came back with the tape, brought the hits with him. All this whack ass shit niggas putting out shit had me going to sleep while I'm driving.
Take off for your fashion. Passion, sister, dancing. Baby dancing. Posting alone. She got her ass down out in Colombia. Una loca. When the poor thing come in a sopa. Henny and some coca. Mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa.
With the tape, I think it's what all this whack ass shit niggas putting out shit had me going to sleep while I'm driving. They know he ain't going for shit, he get violent. He ain't going to be on no problems. You already know how I get it. Nigga way too lit, want my name in all kind of shit. Told me to go get some collars. Pull up, I told her I didn't have time. I looked at my wife, said it's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it. Times out of 4 got that bar. Talking no little shit, it's a vibe. I hope that nobody won't die today. I'ma blow, cause I gotta live. Take care of home, spoil all my kids. Even if I'm alone, stand on the bed. Whatever you want, it is what it is. You know a nigga ain't going. Sick niggas pushing out shit, had me going to sleep while I'm driving. Take off for you. Passion, sister. Pussy my lord. She got the ass down now to Colombia. Una loca. Dame la sopa. Y esa coca. Mami, quítate la ropa.
Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.